What's up guys? Today, hang on a sec. Definitely a backwards hat day today. So today guys, we're going to go off and buy a helicopter, then we're going to hit up Noble Park Skate Park. So we've just gotten back from the shops from Kmart, got our new helicopter. Here is our old one, I'll show you a comparison. That's the size difference, just a small one from Kmart, now we've got the big one. As soon as we got the small one, first flight crashed into the bricks and it broke, didn't work again. Hopefully we'll fly the bigger one better today. We're going to let it charge up, so we're going to go hit Noble Park Skate Park while it's charging. So we've just arrived to Noble Park Skate Park. Doesn't look too busy. A few kids, a few older people like myself. See if we can get some clips. Got a little bit hot. It's got a little bit sunny. Gonna break out pro scooter glasses and skate the mini. So we've just got the skateboard out. Comment below what tricks you think I should do on the skateboard or scooter, what tricks I should try and learn, or even what the kids, Ashley and Declan, should try and learn.
We're getting chicks at 6.
Get our tickets to leave the park. Final tricks.
I'm going to do my trick.
Alright, and I'll do one too.
We are going to a park to fly helicopters because it has a lot of space. And we're going to do that right now. What are we doing right now?
Flying the helicopter.
Yay!
Helicopter charged.
Number 1.
Remote control.
Number 1.
Batteries in. Scooter's all ready to go. Emma's taking the electric scooter. Declan just smashed mine on the ground. Let's go. Try again.
Stop it!
Oh. A little go-getter. Yeah, put it on your head. There you go. Any damage? Oh, we've damaged it. It snapped or? It snapped. Second flight, we've broken it already. Damn. Alright. Let's try and put the GoPro, connect it here somehow. Ellie? Oh!
What are you doing?
Oh.
Don't forget to like this, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Peace, suckers!
Turn down for what?